Hello, 안녕하세요 everyone. Welcome back to Q-Care YouTube channel. Today, to be continuing our new the tight spot arrival pantyhose. It's a relay. The first one that I'm wearing was that Oro blue, and the second one will be the transparent narrow, the back seam line. I love it. It's in a black color. Before we get into that, please like this video, and if you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do it right now. And if you want to see more exclusive and fun contents of mine, please check out my membership site. And also, if you haven't checked this floral pantyhose review video, please check out the old video as well. Well, this transparent back seam black sheer pantyhose is also has a like sexy, wonderful spring vibe. So I'm excited to try that. It's called a narrow line. Let's see. Markab. And sheer black. Ta-da! Ooh! Wow! It's soft. I love this feeling. And look at this cute fit shape, toes and heels clearly, and wow, look at this sheer. I love it. And the waistband looks comfortable. Get that black back seam. Oh. It looks cool. And for hygiene, there's a cotton gusset in the middle. I really enjoy this floral spring pantyhose, but it's time to change to this. Like every time I try the back seam pantyhose, it's so hard to try. I mean, it's so hard to align them straight. So I'm always worried about that. But I don't know how I look now. Let me see the mirror. I think that's good enough. The black sheer for spring and summer. And black skirt with the black bodysuit. So, it's nice. It feels very soft, definitely. 80% polyamide. 10% polypropyl, I don't know, and 10% elastane. Love it. And this one's also Italy, European Italy brand. I love European pantyhose. They're so soft. So good so far. I love it. So please let me know how you enjoy it, how you like this, and would you like to buy this back seam pantyhose? I don't know what you think. Let's see in comment. Thank you for watching my video today, and I hope I can see you guys on my membership site as a member, and I hope you have a nice day.